Okay, so last Saturday I was able to attend finally a comics event. Siguro mga almost 2 years since yung huli kong napuntahan. And it was at the Podium Mall sa Ortigas uh, sa PICOF 2024 Philippine International Comics uh, Festival. So um, it was a great event. It seems like it was very successful. Um, punong-puno ng mga vendors, ng mga artists, ng mga creators, at ng mga nangangarap at tinutupad ang kanilang pangarap na maging comic book artist, comic book creators. Okay, and I had a blast. I talked to a lot of people over there. Some familiar faces, acquaintances, old friends, and lots of new ones na hindi ko kilala. But dahil makapal ang mukha ko, pinagkakausap ko silang lahat. Everybody who who would talk to me, I talked to. Okay, and the enthusiasm was very contagious, and I think the artist in me was energized when I entered that room. Okay, so this is gonna be the video of my walkthrough. Walkthrough na lang yung walkthrough doon sa Peak of 2024. And yun nga, I was just roaming around, talking to people, and filming everything that I see. Okay? So if you see yourself, don't hesitate to tag yourself, your friends, tell them about the video, and nasa YouTube at saka Facebook naman to. Okay? And also, kung gusto nyo i-clip, pwede kayong may features na na parang pwede kang gumawa ng clip at saka shorts from this upload. Okay? And yun, congratulations sa mga umattend at saka sa mga creators na nag-publish at nagbenta at mga kumita. Doon sa mga hindi kumita, okay lang yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala, basta masaya, tuloy-tuloy lang ang paggawa. Okay? Yun lang. Ito na yung walkthrough. Halia. Dapat pala gusto natin dito.
Hello creators, reminders, we'll be announcing the releasing of the copies by batch. So we avoid the crowding here at the comic table. So we'll be announcing the next batch soon.
Are you the creator?
I just had the marketing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Kala ko ikaw si
CEO,
Cecilia.
writer, editor, lahat po sila nasa US. Filipino-American po.
I see. Okay. Ganda naman ito.
Binubuo pala siya as book. Mag-curate kayo ng page.
So you buy it by page?
Oo.
Talaga?
Stand-alone yung page naman.
So you... galing ah. So how much is a complete book?
Hindi pa siya complete actually. Pero $290 yung existing pages.
Yes.
Hanggang next year pa kasi siya.
That's so brilliant. Galing ah.
Sige, I'll come back later. Medyo.
And this title is about
God's
security guards
free.
but the mall is enchanted. Like for this one, the cinema elements is still they start copying the movies that we put present.
Comic
Ano siya?
journal.
Notebook siya.
Okay ah.
So we have to
Okay to.
Ano siya? I made it to promote more people to make comics. Kasi ano I've been struggling then making comics and I made the notebook for myself.
still has
Yes.
Pero I figured na baka there are other people who want to try making comics as well. Kaya I made the
This
comic.
one is
Yes.
they're fighting
What's your name?
GSF Custodio.
Ayaw pala.
Pero I go by Joseph.
Giuseppe, ikaw ba yun? Nakikita ko lang yung mga pangalan nyo eh.
Well,
Oo, may pang comics. Nice. This is a great idea, by the way.
thank you.
Anyway,
We also have
bad
one more
po.
May mga descriptions sa
There are
likod
7
yung mga
designs.
So, pinublish mo per strip?
Ano siya?
Ganun ba?
Parang, ano siya 6 panels siya. So, parang ganun.
Ito naman collection of comic strips.
Galing ah.
Ano siya yung story behind it's more like how pansin ko kasi more people are interested in like short form content. And I want to tap that with comics as well. So I want more people kasi to read comics and making short content baka ma-encourage like younger people into like pwede pala ganito comics.
So this is the TikTok of
Oh,
comics.
yeah, parang ganun. Then yung mga reels, mga...
Ang galing. Brilliant idea. Ay, sorry. Sige. How many episodes? How many of these have you done
I
already?
do them monthly So meron din dito sa likod. So this
Can
is...
you spread one? Hindi ko makakuha.
Eh, so ano siya, monthly ko siya ginagawa. So every month since January. So this my 7th one already. Tapos ganun lang siya.
Oh, ganun.
Tapos it's red. Para siyang ano lang mostly opinion pieces lang siya. Like, this one's about making comic journals. The other one was about me being 30. So like just like random opinions and like imbis na parang pwede i-post sa
Yeah, slice of life.
yeah. So it's a good way to practice writing and making na rin
But
comics.
this is a great idea. Yung isang nakita ko doon, ano siya per page naman. You can buy per page.
Yeah.
Tapos ang liit, di ba?
And
Galing.
pansin ko nga, that one, the short content na comics, more people have been picking it up. Parang,
Ones were depicted in
it's how society is na parang mas mapapanood nila kung maikli.
Tama, di ba? It's a good idea. It's innovation.
I'm trying to make it like more like a gateway drug para sa comics.
Di ba? Kasi you need to think
Adapt
of
na rin
ways to get people na interested.
And also, adapt with the times talaga
Oo.
Kailangan
Ano pa naman? Giuseppe
Technically, my
gusto.
favorite show was that.
Nice din yan. Salamat. Sige, lipat lang ako.
So in this meeting term, we will be announcing everybody in here.
Quick.
Kasi hindi na pala, iba na pala yung team. After all this time.
Sure. Yung Third World The Boys.
Uy, meron pa ito yung mga old school. No? Nice.
Siya yung artist writer ito.
Ano, no?
Yung bali ako yung writer dito. Tapos yung artist nito, yan yung siya yung writer artist niya. Siya to yung cover niyan art. Parang yung mga 90s na source book.
Oo.
Yan, parang satire niyan. Banda yan pareho yung dalawa.
Ganda nito. Ano, picture ba to?
Parang
drawing,
art book.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Ganda. Hi. You like comics?
Free to browse. Oh, hi.
Huh? Sorry.
I'm checking stuff.
Ano?
Just checking stuff out.
Oh, yeah. Can I? Or may I? Or no?
Sure.
Sure. Oh. Office.
Hello, Peacock guests. Again, reminder, only take photos with permission. Again, consent is key. Please ask permission before taking photos and videos. We have reports of somebody taking shots that are without consent. So, if the behavior continues, we will have to ask you to step out. Again, consent is key. Please
Super
ask permission
proxies.
before
Uy,
taking
sino?
videos and
Grabe ah.
photos.
Kumusta? Nice to see you again. Grabe. Dami, bibili ako nito. Isa pa lang meron ako eh.
Hi, feel free to take a look.
Right.
We have a new book here, parang show ng Fantasy Fair. Tapos ito naman is Mystery Adventure. Hi.
Sige. What's your comics about?
This comic is about...
Which one is it?
Knights of the Wandering Castle is about knights in a wandering castle.
Oh, oo nga no.
So the main character is a page. A page is basically parang errand boy ng isang knight. And then he really wants to be a knight, but he has to figure out what it actually entails. This is the first 4 chapters of currently 20. It's all available on Webtoon. As for what's unique about the setting, well, it's called Knights of the Wandering Castle, but he's working underneath a samurai. Tapos lahat sila parang may modern shoes. Yung
May modern
sapatos.
shoes?
Oo.
Okay. So
Sneakers sila.
samurai pero naka-sneakers.
Sneakers, oo.
Naka-Jordans ba? Ano? Did you...
Converse.
Okay.
Converse Chuck Taylors. May Timberlands dyan. Tapos yung main
okay.
character, Vans loafers. Yeah.
Nice. So you have these published in Webtoons then?
Webtoons Canvas.
Okay.
Being a Webtoons original, you have to jump through a lot of hoops and...
Yeah, did you make it a point to publish a physical copy too?
Well, it
Or
wasn't really
ano lang?
a point. It's more so, it was a partnership of something that has sadly...
I see.
Well, Pen Lab is no longer here, but the
Okay.
books are here. And
Do you have any comment about that? Man. Teka. Ay, pero naging guest ko to sa podcast ko. Galing to. Sobrang galing si Sampay.
Kala ko mag-fist na.
Galing. Mamaya bibili ako ng mga ganito. Sige.
Nangyari kagahapon, visit na yung cloud strike na yan.
National Bookstore pala to. We got some Arnold Ares over here.
Since you already start from home, everyone know you now. I didn't start from home. Okay.
Excuse me.
Hello everyone, let's keep Peacock a fun and happy place to be, and let's keep it safe. So please don't leave any of your belongings behind, especially if you bought something from the
This is all
table.
like an
Make sure that
ADHD,
you're not walking off without your books
themed
and your art.
zine and stickers and
Also,
postcards.
again, with anything
ADHD,
fun,
are you familiar
consent
with
is
Yes,
key.
ADHD.
Yes.
So there's a topic.
Yep, so the zine is about, it's a memoir comic about my being diagnosed with ADHD. These are funny stickers for ADHD. Oh, you're filming.
Is it okay?
Oh yeah, that's,
I'm sure.
that's fine. But
What's your
I
name?
didn't know that's a camera. I thought
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
just a tripod.
Yeah.
I'm Juliet.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
just roaming around while shooting.
Are you working for Pico?
No.
Oh, it's for your own,
Yeah.
like, oh,
Yeah.
cool.
I do podcast and some video content.
Oh, that's awesome.
So,
Yeah, these are
are you one of the speakers?
I'm not a speaker, but I'm in the anthology, the Southeast Asian anthology.
What's anthology?
It's a book that is out. Unfortunately, I don't have a copy right now, but it's going to launch later. So it's for Southeast Asian creators, and my short story was selected to be in there. It's comics, all comics.
Yeah. May I ask where you're from?
I'm from Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Is this you?
Yes, that is me.
So how long? May I ask how long have you been diagnosed?
So about 2 years ago. So I decided to make this comic as a way to process the diagnosis and make peace with my past struggles and kind of raise awareness about ADHD. 'Cause
Yeah.
I feel a lot of people don't really know about it so much. So,
Yeah.
to help people feel more at peace, and be more kind to oneself. Because when you live your life undiagnosed, you have a lot of you will blame yourself
To all of our
because
guests,
you don't know
our
that it's
friendly
just the
counter
way
truck managers
your brain is
are
wired
roaming around,
differently.
making sure everything is safe.
The
So
knowledge
even
through
with
the
their belt
diagnosis
like power
is really
actors,
helpful.
they're very nice.
How did you find out, or what pushed you to seek professional help?
I would say it's like
If
a
you have
big
lost
life
any
change
items,
that
please
occurred
turn
in my life
over
that
to
was
the
a bit
ticket. If you
destabilizing for me,
found
so I
any
felt the
items,
need
please
to
turn over to the ticket
go
booth.
seek help.
And again,
I
please
see.
make sure that you
Well,
have
but,
all your items.
How's it going so far?
It's been good. What, the festival you mean?
No, I mean
Post-diagnosis.
after.
It's going good so far. It took me about a year to process it, and about a year after the diagnosis, I made this comic, and that was a very rewarding process, especially because telling my story enabled me to, connect with other people who have similar experiences. So that was very good. So I didn't feel so alone. I feel I can connect with other people.
It's liberating. So.
Yeah, it was very heartwarming.
I see.
So,
Well, good luck with that. I'm happy that you're recovering. It's how about the event so far?
oh, it's good. Yeah, it's been really good. Yeah. It
Um,
started today, so you'll see how it goes.
Do you attend conventions regularly?
I wouldn't say regularly, but this is my first time at a festival.
I see.
Yeah, taping.
I see.
Hi.
Well, Singapore has the SDCC, right?
The Singapore Comic Con.
yeah. Okay, thank you. What's your name again? I'm sorry.
It's Juliet.
Juliet. Yeah, nice.
Where are you gonna post? Are you gonna post that somewhere?
I'm gonna find you. It's Comics Man, but okay, I see. Okay.
So if you're supposed to be at the
I will. I got it on video.
I'm
gonna flip.
Definitely connect with me.
Again, for the people who sent
let
for
me know
only
where
your story,
where
Erica Ang,
Yeah, sure.
Please,
Maybe I'll come back here later if you still want to chat.
Okay. What's your name?
Gerald.
Gerald. Okay, cool.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta wait. I'm sorry. I gotta take my kid around. They're listening to the talk outside, so.
There, I found Papa.
Megan mo din sila dati.
She's showing people this, and the audience is just amazed.
Time check is 3:20. So for people on the 5:30 p.m. mass class with
Ay, pwede na kitang dayuin. Meron na akong ganito.
Please be aware of the time. As you need to be at the
Ito, syempre.
5:30 p.m.
Ako nga, siguro iniintay ko lang yung siguro baka next month, message kita. Punta kita sa inyo. Sige, ha?
Malapit lang sa dati mong bahay.
Oo nga. Ito po move. Bang. Give it. Bubad baboy po. Mandamat.
Basically what happened.
Ito yung
So what had happened was...
kapal pala, no?
Maganda siya.
Kapal, magkano?
1.5.
1.5. I'm gonna get one later.
Mga first,
Are these, can I film this? Okay,
Sure.
Sige. So, mga mga Alamat members yung...
These are all the, yung mga first releases.
Oh, I see.
Mga out of print na siya. So, for the first time, pinompile siya.
May digital art na ba doon? Or are these parang...
Yung Archon, tsaka itong Killstalker, no? This is more of airbrush.
Airbrush pa yan dahil. Okay, mano-mano pa. Kala ko parang kinulayan ng ulit. Hindi. Timawa pala.
Mervin Malonzo and Natasha Vingos, hosted by CP Lim. So again, our reminder is 3:20, so we still have a
Ito siyempre yung iconic cover ni Jerry.
Copy sign, they're over there.
Uy, meron. May ano ba? XL ba ito?
XL.
So if you get your copy sign,
Wala na?
Alavia.
Limited lang kasi siya, so push na.
Pwede ba mag-request?
Yung order.
Pwede rin.
Kunin mo lang yung details niya.
Sige.
Yeah, we can probably have
shirt.
Tsaka it's for a good cause.
Anong cause?
Ricky Santos, the
One of the
illustrator, writer-artist of Indigo Valley, undergoing dialysis. So, 3 times a week na.
I see.
Parang artista.
Sige, balik ako. Mag-ikot muna ako. Pero alam ko na mga pa. Sige, salamat. Ha? Gerald Dorado. What's your name?
Yeah. Ronald Tan.
Ronald Tan.
Ito yung nag-ano ba?
Oh, yeah. Comics man.
Comics man. Yeah.
Sige.
Napalaylo kami.
Oh, si Weng Weng pala to.
Yeah.
Gawa mo ba to?
Yes.
Nice.
After Superheroes, nag-iba.
So, ano ka? Kasama ka doon sa Alamat na original?
Sa Midnight.
Okay.
Kami ni Jugs yung sa Ichiworms.
Oh.
Siya yung writer, ako yung artist.
So Alamat din si Jugs?
Yes.
Talaga?
Before, pinopost niya yan minsan eh. Kasi hindi nga alam ng tao na nagko-comic siya. Ubueta. Yan ang Jugs.
No?
Name niya is Eric. Yeah, so this is our...
Nice. Ronald Tan.
Yeah.
I think parang nag-ano ka ba dun sa naggagawa ka rin ba dun sa Muahaha?
Sa Topak.
Topak pala. I think nakita ko yung pangalan mo dun. Yeah, so nice to meet you, man.
See you.
Salamat. Ito pala.
For our creators with the Comic Verse Anthology, you may claim your complete copy over at the Comic table. Again, the Comic table is over at the Pick-up Selection. Again, it's on the east side, near the entrance. So from the entrance, you turn left.
Ganda
That's
nito.
the Pick-up Selection.
Si Jerry yan. Ibig sabihin kung ang iconic kasi yung image na yan, no? Ang gandang ilagay sa kwarto yan.
Maganda ito actually yung black and white.
Oo. Parang, hindi, ay, pero si Jerry pa rin nagkulay nito, alam ko eh.
Yes, oo. Pero yung, kasi pag non-colored siya, lilitaw talaga yung ano ng inks.
Oo. Nakita ko yung original niyan sa bahay nila.
I think yung sa museum, kausap namin si Eileen kanina, print na daw yun nandun ngayon.
Yeah, oo. What's your name?
I'm Aris.
Aris. Sige.
This is the row where I haven't bought anything.
Sorry for the technical difficulties.
What's your comics about?
We are a small comic club po, situated in Laguna.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow,
High schoolers po.
Yes po.
You guys are high school?
Yes po. Our youngest po is around 14. He's around 14 years old. Most of these works po are done during 9 months.
9 months?
In the span.
Yeah, in the span of 9 months.
How did you get together?
It was a hangout time.
Yes po. All of us are VAs, visual artists, and writers.
LB? UPLB, no?
In the school itself po.
Philippine High School for the Arts.
Okay.
So, high school po yun.
Doon sa taas, sa Makiling.
Sa Makiling po.
Kaya Makiling Comic Collective eh.
I see.
Pero yun po, actually, our club, what we like to do is to create anthologies. So, ito po yun, yung apat po namin anthology. And in these anthologies, we compile yung mga short stories ng members. So, each book, you can see multiple artists and then there are multiple entries. And then you can see a growth.
Ang dami na lang na ano ilang books nang napapublish nyo?
She sold po these two po. Siya po gumawa.
Very prolific.
Sa akin naman po, ito po ang gandito.
Mas prolific. Contest ba to? Contest?
Medyo.
Joke lang.
Parang ano po,
Friendly
competition.
How about you guys?
Siya po, naggumawa po siya ng novel.
Ayun.
Ito po,
Novel
po siya.
Since writer po siya.
Writer?
I'm not really an artist.
Siya po yung isa po naming comics. Ito po. Ginawa niya po.
Ganda.
Isang one shot lang po.
Our young artists, di ba? Nice. Ang ganda ng ano ha. Saan kayo nagpapaprint?
In-house po kami. Sariling sikap po. I see. Yes po. At saka ano rin po yung mga bata po, di naman po mahirap po makuha ng references para po para ma-kickstart po career nila. So yung job na rin po ng club po namin ay ma-present po na isa pang career choice sa mga bata. Na yes, pwede yung comics.
Yes, pwede.
Pwede kayo mabuhay sa comics.
Or art, yung a profession in art, di ba?
Yes,
not really just comics. But
kasi po yung school po namin, hindi po sila ganun ka-big po sa illustration. So wala po kaming support talaga.
Ganun?
Opo, kasi mostly paintings po sila. So ngayon po na nilalabas po namin yung comic club, parang sinasabi po namin sa mundo na yes, pwede tong career choice.
Nice. But which is, it has already been proven naman talaga.
Yes,
for decades. And we're just here to follow the steps.
Yes,
diba? And diba? Galing. Well, good luck sa lahat. Sige. Upload ko na lang to. Siguro sana makita nyo.
Sige po. For sure.
Sige.
You want to
Is it okay to?
Yeah, it's okay. Go ahead. You can take a look as well.
Oh, okay.
Do you have VIP?
No. I'm just
It's a nice setup you got.
Huh? Yeah. Thanks. Bago lang kaya nga excited akong mag-shoot.
Oh, of course.
Hello!
Oy!
Kumusta?
Nice to meet you. Finally.
Dati idea lang to, no? Tapos ito na tayo.
I am with Paolo Heras. Diba? So, Yun. Tuloy na natin yung interview.
Ay, sige.
I'm just gonna complete my new setup. Thank you. And then may message kita.
Sige.
Kahit hindi na dun sa, kung gusto mo, dun pa rin sa studio or
let me know.
Kahit saan.
Papahinga lang ko ng 2 weeks.
Yes. Sige.
Complete bed rest lang.
Sige. Congrats. What's your name again, man?
Von Tan.
Von. Are you from Baguio?
No, actually.
No?
I'm from Pasay.
So bakit Baguio?
Because I thought it's a cool place because it takes place in a bus. And I've been to Baguio once and I thought Marcos Highway was kind of a cool setting.
What genre is your book?
It's cosmic horror.
Cosmic horror.
Also sci-fi.
Sci-fi na horror.
Very Junji Ito inspired. If you know manga.
No, I'm sorry.
If you know manga, Junji Ito.
It's
very inspired.
Not too familiar, but
okay. What about Berserk?
Ganda ng art.
Thank you. Took me almost 2 years to make.
Really?
Yeah. That includes 3D, the bus in it.
When did you have it published?
Comic-Con.
This year?
Yeah, just for this event actually, just now. This is my debut.
I see. Yeah. So, are you planning to make a part 2 or a new book?
No. It's a standalone comic book.
Nice.
It's the complete story.
Nice. Von Tan. Sige, thank you, man. Salamat.
Oh yeah.
Zines, Queenstone. Ay.
Sa actual video. Wala na. Everyone has I hope so. Yeah. Marami pa rin wala eh. Pero, I mean like for...
Sunod na ulit eh. Ito pala yung dito yung malalakas eh, di ba?
Ayun no.
Grabe, ito pala yung...
Ikaw yung malakas, powerful ka eh.
Ay, nga pala, no? Oo nga. Grabe. Sa SKP ka nag-booth?
Oo. Kami. Picture.
Samahan ng mga cartoonistang bogi.
If you have any questions.
Oo nga, no?
Kaya ikaw nito, ano to? Webcam ba yan?
Oo, ano siya? Yan yung bagong camera ko na gagamitin. Ano siya meron siyang... Actually, yung audio niya maganda. Oo. Yung video hindi ganun kaganda, pero hindi siya pang mirrorless quality. Pero yung audio niya
maganda.
Oo. Podcast naman ako hindi na ako magdadala ng mic. Susunod.
Pwede ka nang mag-cosplay ng Hagrid.
Oo nga no? Kaso, bitin tayo sa height Anong bago dito?
Elite. Oo nga.
Oo, diba? Gimli
na lang.
Ganda naman ito. Sige. Original art ba to? Ay, sorry.
Comics Man Podcast.
Nag-usap
na tayo dati.
Oo, ikaw ba si Don? Oo. Naalala ko. Alam ko yung itsura mo sa ganda.
Pinag-usapan natin si
Nag-guest ka na din sa, di ba?
Ay, nag-draw.
Sa drawing companion. Oo. Ilang beses na rin. Ay, sorry.
Sige.
Ganda ito, original mo dito.
Ginawa ko lang ngayon kasi nakalimutan ko yung art materials ko. Pag ginawa ko, pumunta ako ng National.
Bumili ka na lang?
Bumili ako ng mga materials, pati papel.
So, sino tong mga chicks dito?
Ano yan? Nagpagawa pa lang.
Babalik ka na lang?
Yes. Pinipicturean ko sila. Babalik na lang sila.
Galing, ganda ng style. Ganda ng style. Ganda. Magkano paggawa?
500 sir, isa. Per head.
500? Don't hahanapin ko tong mga to. Ito, sino to?
Ano yan?
Wala lang.
Merong page sa Instagram na nag-upload siya ng mga mukha ng mga nasa festival. Peers na Canada, America.
kumukuha kasi medyo kakaiba yung mga mukha nila eh.
I see.
Earthworld yung pangalan ng page.
Ito nga, drawing mo nga itong si ano? Si Gio.
Dali lang to.
Oo, itong dalawa. Nakabarong pa. Bakit nakabarong kayo? Matanong ko lang.
Kasi papatayin kami mamaya.
Ha?
Kasi mamaya bibitayin kami.
Bakit ganun bang yung suot ba ng mga bibitayin? Barong? Parang di
Pilipinyana talaga sa day 1. Day 1, Pilipinyana.
Ganun ba?
Kaya kumain ako ng lunch ako kanina.
Bakit si Don hindi nakabarong?
Wala sir. Yung bahag ko sir, hindi natuyo eh. Dapat barong sa kabahag. Nakabahag. Kaka-late kanina yan. Wala sa opening. Kaya kanina, ang lunch ko, pare. Marugami.
Awi ng babae.
Oh, you're the one in the marugami. Sabi ko, yeah. Nagulat ka ba na may Pilipino kumakain ng Japanese?
Sige, ikot muna ako ha. Saglit. Balik ako dyan.
I haven't seen him so long because he's recovering and now we've seen his so sorry, the trying.
Nerd Comics. Carlos Comics.
Teka, selfie tayo muna. Ay, sige.
Sa'yo talaga doon.
Hello everyone, we'd like to remind us, everybody that peacock is a safe space. So it's a lot of fun and make sure we respect everybody's space and again consent is key. Please no unauthorized quick selfies or video shots. Please ask permission from our creators before taking any videos or photos. Again, we are ensuring this is a safe space. So if you make any of our artists, any of our other guests, any of our exhibitors feel unsafe or uncomfortable, we will have to ask you to leave. So again, make sure that this is a fun and happy place for everybody. And again, consent is key. Thank you. Have a fun talk.
Comic yan, tarantado. Tugbo. Avenida. Ito, 13. 13. Ito pala eh.
Hey, boss.
Mr. Julius, what's up, Mr. Julius?
Ongoing sale.
Grabe, oh. Ito pinaka... Tomos ay mix dito. Ikaw ba yung si GN? Ikaw ba yung GN Santiago? Balik ako, Julius, ha?
mga 15 minutes ago. Nakuha ko na sa few hours.
So all of our pickup guests, don't forget to circulate. We have over 60 booths filled with local Filipino talent and international guests. So over on near the entrance, we have our pickup selection. We also have 3 lanes of Filipino exhibitors, and over by the exit lane, we have our international exhibitors.
Is this a comic?
Yes po.
Inspired by Mobius. Right? By Mobius. Yung artwork niya, by Mobius.
Mobius. May I take a video?
Sige po.
Okay. Sige. Nice. Is this first part of
Yes,
of a series? Nice. Ang ganda ng art.
Hopefully compiled for one book. Kwento siya ng nung babaylan, which is a grandmother, na hindi typical sa sa mga kwento.
Oo. Babaylan siya na
grandmother.
What's your name again?
Fred.
Fred. Ito Fred Cabredo. Fred Cabredo. Nice. How long did you work on this book?
3 years in the making siya.
3 years
so,
in the making.
Meron na tayong 3 chapters, pero for this pick-off, the first chapter yung
I see. Yun muna. When do you plan to release the next ones?
Hopefully next year.
Next
Sana.
year na.
Sana.
Okay. Nice. Ang linis ng art mo.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Sige, thank you. Congrats, Fred.
Sir, if you want, can you
Sige. Fred Cabredo.
To all of our guests, don't forget, before heading out at the exit, we have our Alamat Gallery. So before you leave, visit the Alamat Gallery. Just the exit is on the left side. Also, please stay hydrated. We have water stations at the entrance and at the exit near the nurses station.
May I? Uy, ano to?
Crochet.
Ano niya?
Nasa storybook na.
Ano siya? Parang merch din ng book? Nice. Ang galing. How many books do you have already?
Preview pa lang.
Preview pa lang. So,
September pa yung...
September pa yung next, yung full. Light. Nice. What's it about?
Nagka-zombie sa Baguio.
Ha?
Nagka-zombie sa Baguio.
Sa Baguio na naman. Oh, okay. Hindi kasi dun sa Baguio din. Pero nice. So, so zombie story siya.
Opo. Yeah, 11:30 sa Baguio. Yeah, Baguio story.
Nakita ko eh. Oh, ganda. Nice.
Thanks, sir.
Oh.
Thank you.
Who drew?
Ako po.
Ikaw? Talaga? Ganda ng style mo.
Thank you po.
Manga influence na ganda. Dami ng magaling ngayon, grabe. Ayoko na mag-comics. Sobrang dami ng magaling. Pati yung cover ko, Dagdo.
Yep.
Time check, everyone. It's 3:45. So if you want to catch
What's your name? Yuri.
Nice to meet you. Natasha Rindos, hosted by Singapore City Men, and then over to the stage area at 4 p.m. Again, that's a Janus Sila International Corporation launch. If you want to get your copy,
Toto, musta? Hello. Nice to meet you, man.
Sean pala. So get your copies and get it signed.
Pwede mag-video?
Sure. After the book launch. Thank you.
Nasa tamang tao. Ganda. Hanip pa. Ano bro, pwede bang matuloy yung episode natin?
Anong meron?
Well, hindi, magpapa-adjust. Kahit puntahan na lang kita sa kung hindi ka makakain.
Kailangan ba in person this time?
Mas gusto ko yung face-to-face Mas maganda.
So kaya mo puntahan sa Pangasinan?
Pangasinan ka? Talaga? Pangasinan ka na ba?
Lumipat na kami,
Malay mo.
Mobile na ba yung mo?
Oo,
setup mo?
Ito.
Sino na yun?
Ay, ito naman si Jerome. Ito si Jerome. Pangasinan ka na pala. Kailan ka ba lumipat? Matagal na rin. Sige. Hindi.
Last year, November last year.
Pero dati dito ka sa Manila, di ba?
Oo, yun nga eh. I mean, nakahanap ako ng work from home gig. So, lumipat na doon.
So pupunta ka na lang dito pag may mga cons, mostly. Nice.
Pwede natin itawan kung kunyari may con.
Sige. Kahit mga lang yan. Kahit dyan nga lang eh. Kahit dito pag walang ginagawa. Diba?
Pwede.
Kasi mobile naman to pag ganyan mo lang yan.
Yung audio.
Ito, kaya ito yung camera na binili ko kasi maganda yung audio niya.
May built-in mic yan? Or?
Yeah, meron siyang built-in mic. Siya yung Zoom na brand. So,
Zoom as in Zoom?
Zoom, yes.
Zoom?
It's an audio, yun ang specialty nila talaga.
For the comment verse,
Hindi talaga yung app?
Hindi yun. Siya, parang mga recording gadgets yung ginagawa.
I didn't know that.
Pero ito, basically, it is a recording microphone with a camera. Yun talaga siya. Baliktad siya. Yung camera nito hindi ganun kaganda Pero yung audio kasi yung habol.
Sa ganyan kaliit.
Of course, this is Toto Madayag, one of the best. Ito sa'yo. Ito sa'yo lahat.
Hindi, ito lang.
Publish ni Sir Toto.
So nagpa-publish ka na rin ng ibang artist?
Under Silaw Publishing.
Publisher ka na rin. So ilan yung mga artist na na-publish mo?
So ito palang 3. So 1, 2, 3 artists.
And you are? Shanson Sona.
Gumawa ng Silent Comics yun.
Silent Comics to. Grabe, mauubos pera ko nito. Ganda. So, ba't man naisipang mag-publish?
Naisip ko medyo gamay ko na rin yung printing by this time. By the time na na-print ko na yung volume 3. So naisip ko why not bigyan ng parang space yung mga stories na gusto kong basahin. Gusto kong maging book form.
And how did he find you?
Sa cons din. So parang regular buyer ako dati ni Sir Toto. Tapos, nung nagte-table na rin ako sa convention, bumibili na rin siya. So parang, doon niya na-discover yung tabling.
Okay. Grabe, ano ka na pala, no?
Pimp?
Hindi, ano siya? Kingpin, diba? Kingpin, diba?
Well, it's still a bit tricky kasi 3 pa lang yung na-push out namin, yung na-put out namin. Na-publish namin. It's very tricky talaga. Kasi kunyari ito, puro pre-orders yung bumuhay sa mga to. And then this one is Kickstarter Indiegogo.
Kasi nagawa mo yung sa Indiegogo? Nice.
Mostly kasi yan, US, Germany yung mga.
Were you able to complete the Nice.
All or nothing siya, tapos na-complete naman. It's a modest amount naman siya, like $4,000.
$4,000? At nakabuo ka ng $4,000? Malaki na rin yun, no? For a local effort?
Pero mahal yung printing for like a coffee table book na.
Ilang copies yun? Ilang copies yung na...
Close to 1K.
Close to 1K?
Pero that's the thing, pre-order yun, tapos yun yung nag-fund ng printing. And then
it's already paid.
We're just selling the remaining copies na.
Galing.
Yun yung model. And the idea is mas malaki yung napupunta sa creator kaysa sa traditional publishing na malit. Sobrang liit ng mga royalties.
Nice. Well, you're doing God's work, man. Good luck sa bagong ano. How is it different being an independent artist, publisher, than sa pagiging publisher din?
You mean...
May bago ba? May mga ibang problema ba na lumitaw?
Meron din naman. Like, hindi kami pwede mag-scale up. Hindi naman hindi pwede, pero may day job pa. So, hindi mo magawang mag-scale up talaga na business terms, scale up. Like, yung go all in, parang gano'n. Mag-risk ng malaki.
Kasi may day job ka pa.
May day job pa na hindi mo mapaglaanan ng 100% of the time. So, definitely wala sila sa fully booked or national. Yun yung most, disadvantage niya, I guess. But at the same time, you get loyal fans who go to cons and who buy sa online shop kapag once it's released. So,
pero nagagawa mo pa rin tong mga mga comics mo.
Not so much now.
Not so much na.
I think it's the age.
Medyo parang nabawasan nga yung mga posts na nakikita ko sa iyo.
Yung energy talaga eh. Dati kating-kati ka pong mag-comics ng 2 times a week ganun ngayon.
Nice.
Medyo mahirap na.
Well, it happens. Pero at least these are gonna stay classics sa comics.
Sometimes I read them and I laugh pa rin.
Itong mabuti na ano na to eh. Classic na yan eh. Diba? How about you, man? Tungkol saan yung mga comics mo?
So, ito naman, parang collection siya ng mga short stories.
Parang anthology?
Anthology siya, anthology.
Okay.
So, yung theme niya is centered around yung mga interests ko. So, parang sci-fi, adventure.
But is it interconnected yung mga stories dito?
No, dito.
I see.
So, ano lang siya, separate stories talaga siya.
I see. Okay. Graphic din yung style mo, no?
Yes.
Ganda. Ito, hindi pa colored. Galing. Ayos! Kaya pala naka-quote ka na ngayon, ha?
Oo, kailangan eh.
Sige bro, salamat.
To all of our Filipino artists, our exhibitors, the National Book Development Board of the Philippines, Intellectual Property
ba yun, si RH?
for our Filipino
nice to meet you. Ituloy natin. So ba?
Kahit ikaw naman mag-schedule.
Actually, pwede na ako mobile ngayon. Pero for the complete podcast experience sa studio. Kasi mas maganda talaga pag nandun. Although okay din naman kahit mobile.
Sige. And piracy. So, surprise limited. So, if you'd like to get a free copy, head over to the National Book Development Board 2. It's over by the exit area.
Real life things na ubos ang pera ko. Besides yung mga pre-orders ay
Thank you, Kay.
Saan ba ta?
Kaya ako lang pinatubo.
Balik ko, sir, para magpa-picture ako din sa...
That's a black
collection.
Hello!
Toby!
Finally, published na rin ako.
Oy!
After all this years.
Oo nga, no? This is, ay, sorry. Hindi ko alam. Sa akin ba yan? Hindi sa akin yan. Thieves. Let's talk about your book.
Oh my God, wait, I'm not ready. Tense naman ako. Now na?
Oh, sige, oh. So, this
wait,
is...
you want my hair para...
Gusto mo dito natin eh.
Yung backdrop. Or do you need me beside you?
Hindi,
Go ahead.
Thank
you. I'll catch you online.
Yeah, sure. Diba? Nasaan yung ano? Di ka nagdala nung ano mo? Nung game? Yung board game mo?
Not here. Comics to eh.
Why? Sayang naman.
Yung mga RPGs?
Oo.
I didn't bring that one. Please feel free to look.
Okay lang yung video?
Yeah.
Sige. So I am here with Toby Abad.
Hello.
And he's very happy about... Agus. So, pero ano ka, diba? Ito yung Diliman Comics.
So, the 1997 Diliman, which had 15 issues released over 1997 to 2011. That's still online, it's still free, it's still available for anyone who wants to read it. This is a spin-off standalone story. This is the first of 13 issues, but there will be a printed trade paperback. But it carries stories from the old one, but also explores new ones. So it has new characters. But if you read the first one, the old one, you'll have a different layer of the story.
How about the old one? Do you plan to print them as well?
Everyone keeps asking. I don't know if I have budget. If this sells well, yes. But the problem with the first one is I drew it by hand. But the scans are 72 dpi.
Okay lang!
They're not print quality, 300 ang print. So, I have to redraw some portions.
I see.
Rescan everything. Relay out everything. Para lang malaman. So I might just make a new edition if this one goes well.
Nice. So what is it about? So
Diliman is still about a group of people who are salamangueros. Some of them are friends, some of them are lovers, some of them are not so sure. But then messing up their lives are the fact that the government, at least in this book, the government has now started a war against salamangueros. And is hunting them down because they are terrorists.
I see.
Whether or not that is true remains to be seen. Yeah. So as you can see, it's a bit more graphic. This is lighter than expected. It's darker in the actual, but for the print edition, we needed something lighter.
I see. Okay.
Nothing fits in this bag.
Ganda, dami. sobrang galing na ng mga komikero ngayon. Grabe.
I'm just happy to be finally among them. Dati nag-attend lang ako ng con para kayo puntahan.
Ako din eh. Pero I'm really I was really hoping na you'd bring your when I saw you na kasi nakita kita kanina eh. Sabi ko baka nandiyan yung yung
mga board games, RPG games. Yeah. Sadly, didn't bring those today. Comic-Con mention. Ito muna.
Pero next time, meron akong alam na place eh. Yung, may mga board games sa may events. Sa may lang yan, sa may scout area.
It's the time of the geek now. Everyone is happy because there are so many circles and places to celebrate our geek now.
Yeah. Nice. Sige, thank you, Toby.
Thank you so much.
And congrats.
Finally, after so long.
Minsan mag-podcast tayo.
Yeah.
Kahit saan. Sige, thank you.
Sorry. Ang dami nga na kompleto. So, doon ako medyo.
Hello, we have Mecha Philippine Mythology po. We have Mecha Philippine Mythology, also Philippine history in meme format, and The Missing Cat.
A Missing Cat?
Yes, we have a Missing Cat po.
Nice. Anong pangalan yung
Team Drama.
Okay lang mag-video?
Yes po.
Sige. La Historia. Are these history-based?
Yes,
history-themed, rather? Oh, okay.
But it's like a Philippine history meets pop culture. It's what if our national heroes were alive today? How would they react to current events, trends, memes, social issues, and stuff like that. It's also educational because there are trivias, which are from valid sources like books and articles written by our historians Ambeto Campo, Xiao Chua, Chodoro Calao, Chodoro Agustin. So it's a guarantee that it's not taken from some random people from the internet who claim to know some quote-unquote hidden history. It's hidden history because it did not exist.
Yes. Okay.
That one is Aswang lore, but reimagined as mecha. And what sets it apart from other Aswang stories is that the Aswang are the good guys. So mecha Aswang fighting crime, fighting bad guys, fighting this energy-like monsters that people cannot see. And since people cannot see this energy-like monsters, they think that the mecha Aswangs are the ones causing problems. So they're kind of like misunderstood heroes.
I see. Okay. So you have two chapters already, 2 volumes.
Yes, 2 volumes. But this one is in Filipino, this one is in English.
Bakit?
Nag-sold out po kasi yung volume 1 na Filipino and yung volume 2 po, last Patron of the Arts.
So you printed 2 versions?
Yes po.
So this one has a Filipino version and an English version too?
Yes po, yung volume 1.
Bakit? Why did you choose to make it that way?
Because there's been a demand for it. Like when I table at events, people would ask like, is there an English version? And I tell them that it's available online, free to read at web.
Talaga?
And they're like, but we, I mean the book. They want the book. So I was like, soon there will be an English version of the book soon.
Nice.
So wala tayong no choice.
Oo nga, no? So doble bili. Pagka pabili ka ng project. Propaganda project.
It's currently 2 volumes. Volume 3 pa next year po, and yung volume 2 din po neto na English next year na rin po.
Yes. What's your name again?
Mau po.
Mau. Okay.
Ito po yung new release po namin. It's Earth Defense Squadron Animato or EDSA. Bali,
EDSA, okay.
Yes, ang story po niya is there's a space tyrant who wants to conquer planet Earth. And in the Philippines, there are 8 super robots which are based from deities from Philippine mythology who will fight the minions of this space tyrant. So, yun po siya. So, pilot edition po siya of the first book, which I hope to launch this year din po sa Comic Con Grande. So, yun po siya. Bali, it's gonna be like a 9-book comic series with each, the first 8 books, each focusing on one pilot and its mech, tapos may theme po siya. Pero yung overall theme niya po is anti-imperialization.
So medyo may political theme yung mga ano mo.
It's not only the references to a certain incident in history. It also has takes on like yung issue po sa West Philippine Sea. Kasi yung original intent ko po talaga when I created it in nung kinonceptualize ko po siya noong 2020. It's like my protest against what China is doing to our territories.
Okay. I see. Diba? Pwede lang maging superhero, no?
Yes.
Sige, thank you, Mau. Thank you.
Here are my socials po.
Yes. Eto na. Sige, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Time check, it's 4:02. So if you want to catch up to the Johnny Silang International Edition launch, it's over at the stage area before you get to the entrance. Again, if you want to catch up to the Johnny Silang book launch, head over to the stage area before you get to the entrance. It hasn't started yet, as I'm just seeing the host. So again, you have a chance to catch up.
Kung!
So again, the Johnny Silang International launch.
May sikat dito. May wala kang book. May book ka, bakit?
If not, you can still run over to the
So, dito ba yung booth nyo? Okay. Nice. Sige.
Spider-Man.
Gulo pa naman.
Nagkakaroon din ng
People are disapproving kasi yung bigyan anthology. Yes.
Tsaka ano sir, pili kayo ng poster, secret account. Secret account. Hindi na friend yung asawa na doon sa
Ay, ito yung God Heart. Nakita ko to. Are you the creator?
Yeah, me and my wife actually. Pero she's, umiikot pa yung wife ko eh.
Nice. What's your name?
I'm Sean. Sean Moroto.
Ang ganda nung, did you draw it? Did you draw this?
Yeah, I wrote and drew it for like 4 years.
Really?
Yung unang book, yeah.
Can I video?
Of course, sir.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Nakita ko yung exhibit doon sa... Diba?
Ito ata yun, no?
Nice.
Oh, happy news. We also have copies of Jana Silang at the
Ganda ng art mo.
Thank you, sir.
How much is this?
Okay, so 1 to 50 yung book 1. Yung book 1 to 50. Pero since may sequel na kami na nilabas today, naka-promo siya. So you can get both for 1.5, tapos may free kang postcard from here.
I see. Sige. What is it about? Mythological...
So it's like my own kind of fantasy IP.
I see.
And yung thing, the story is... So it's a fantasy setting where yung gods nila, they waged war, tas namatay yung mga gods nila. Kasi it's illegal to wage war on mortal soil, which they did. So, kinuha yung essence nila, tas they essentially died. But... now, since the mortal races are sanay sila na may gods, they're trying to replace those gods somehow. Like, taking means into their own hands. Kaya may 3 protagonists tayo na, they're the ones who are up to the challenge. Pero hindi pa nila alam yun.
Well, these pages are really high quality, man.
Thank you so much.
These are really high quality. Ang ganda. I'm gonna get one later.
Sige.
Sige.
Thank you so much.
Sige. Ito, Arbor na lang to. Joke lang.
Soft bounce.
Jay Ignacio, finally.
Balita ko siya, pre.
Ito pala si Jay. Actually, kasama ko to. Inimbitahan ko to na pumunta eh. Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.
May online. Sige, interview mo.
Oo nga eh. Oy, mag-episode tayo soon. Doon sa Tiny Bar, mapunta ka ba doon?
Saan yung Tiny Bar?
Ano ko yun LC?
Akala LC.
Oo.
Lumipat na kasi ako Iloilo eh.
Oo nga, no. Bakit ka lumipat sa...
Nagsawa na ako sa traffic dito.
Hanggang kailan ka dito?
Ano bang araw ngayon? Sabado?
Oo.
Tuesday?
Tuesday? Pwede tayo mag-podcast.
Kasi yung... Hindi, Tuesday yung lipad ko.
Tuesday lipad mo?
Monday, punta kami ng Comics Museum.
Sa akin na Jerry? Oo. Sige. Pag na.
Punta ka na lang Iloilo.
Oo nga, no? Tara, punta tayo.
May excuse pumunta eh.
Okay, kahit dito na lang eh. Kaso maka-busy ka eh. Nag-ano ka ba? Marshal ka ba dito? Nag-signings. Oo, ano? May may hardbound na.
Ito, limited lang ito. 500 lang ginawa. So dito may print nung yung dalawang cover in vertical orientation.
Oo.
Tapos may signed bookplate ni Mang Alex.
May signed? Talaga? 500 copies?
Basa mo na.
Oo. May kopya ako nito.
Nakita ko na si Alex nag-sketch ng ganitong style na white on black.
Ibang klase talaga yung si Alex ninyo. Si Mang Alex.
Kaya niyang walang outline eh.
Oo.
Timeless eh. Naisip, translate ka agad sa papel.
Ang yun yung mga... Hindi mo sasabing aksidente eh, di ba? Yung mga pitik, yung mga ganito, oh. Etong linya na to, di ba?
Mga old school eh.
Kahit may mga lagpas na mga ganyan, walang problema eh, di ba? Pero yun nagbibigay ng espiritu eh.
Yung asawa ni Wills,
Oo.
sabi niya, ganyan yung mga matatinda.
Bakit?
Yung kaya nilang blanco yung papel tapos.
Sa gassy daw, ganun yung style nila. Pen and paper. Ink on paper.
Nag-brush.
Magkakilala ba kayo?
Lumapit lang ako sa kanya.
Si Jerome. Ano ko, tropa ko to na madalas kong kachat to.
Just curious, is this a 149 or 146?
149.
Thank you.
Are you a pen nerd too?
Yes.
Pelican.
Pelican.
Pelican. I have a couple of pelicans there.
May mga talks pa ba, Jay?
May mga panel ongoing doon sa labas.
Doon sa labas. Tingnan natin. Sige, silip lang ako, ha. Tara.
Dumaan ka na ba sa Comic Odyssey?
Saan?
Sa Comic Odyssey.
Hindi pa. Kumain?
Dumaan na.
Ha? Hindi pa nga eh. Hindi ko pa nga nakikita eh. Di exit pala sa kabila, no?
Internet ba?
Oo nga, no? Ay, sorry.
2019 pa.
Dito yung nag-Super Manila dati, di ba? Yung unang Super Manila, dito ginawa yun. Tapos ngayon, punta rin tayo doon sa Super Manila. Nandun si na Wills eh. Oo, dito tayo. Dito, exit. Uy, naku, paano yan? Bakit dito tayo doon?
Dito pa ka naman.
Oo nga, no?
Kung maliit, ang yaman ng mga